In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit and delete job alerts on Glassdoor. If you're actively job hunting, keeping your alerts relevant and organized can save you a lot of time and help you see better opportunities. We'll walk through where to find your alerts, how to adjust them when your preferences change, and how to remove the ones you no longer need. First, open your web browser and go to glassdoor.com. Make sure you're signed in to your account because job alerts are tied to your profile. If you're not logged in, go ahead and sign in with your usual credentials so you can access your saved alerts. Once you're on the Glassdoor homepage and logged in, you're ready for the next step. Now look toward the top right corner of the page and find your profile icon. This might appear as your initials, a small avatar, or a generic user icon. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu is your main hub for anything related to your personal account, including your saved jobs, applications, and of course, your job alerts. From this drop-down menu, click on the option labeled Job Activity. This section is where Glassdoor groups all your job-related actions, so it's the central place to manage what you've saved or set up. After you click Job Activity, you'll be taken to a page that shows different tabs or sections. On the Job Activity page, find and click on the tab called Alerts. This is where all of your current job alerts are listed. You should see alerts you've previously created, usually based on job titles, locations, or specific filters you set during your searches. Taking a moment to scan this list is helpful so you can decide which alerts are still useful and which ones might need updating or removing. To manage an individual alert, start by selecting the one you want to change. Look for the three dots, often called the More Options menu, typically located to the right of each job alert. Click on these three dots. This opens the controls that let you either edit or delete that specific alert, giving you quick access to manage them one by one. If you want to update an alert instead of starting from scratch, choose the option to edit alert. When you click edit, you'll be able to adjust details like the job title you're targeting, the location, how often you receive emails, or other filters such as salary range or job type, depending on what Glassdoor offers. Take your time here to make sure your alert matches what you're currently looking for. When you're happy with your changes, confirm or save them so the alert can start sending you more relevant results. If you have alerts that are no longer useful, you can clean things up by deleting them. Again, click the three dots next to the alert you want to remove, and this time choose the Delete Alert option. You may be asked to confirm that you really want to delete it. Once you confirm, that alert will be removed and you'll stop receiving notifications from it. This is a great way to reduce inbox clutter and keep only the alerts that match your current job search goals. That's all there is to it. By regularly editing and deleting job alerts on Glassdoor, you'll keep your job search focused and efficient and make sure the opportunities you see are actually aligned with what you want.